Yes, they melt together in rainbow. You can make any shape you like. You can make like a heart shape or any like animal shape you like. But first thing we're gonna do it in circle first.
It's melting.
That's right. Oh,
Two white colors.
the color on the chocolate disappears. Sampun, can you tell me why it creates the rainbow color like this? Can you tell me what happened in the plate?
Because the color is melting
The color is melting by what?
by water.
The water? That's right. So,
Water
the
melts the chocolate M&Ms.
it's not actually chocolate. The chocolate is inside,
Yes,
but outside it's coated with sugar. So sugar melts in water, right?
I think he's put food coloring.
Yeah, they add food coloring too with the sugar, and then they coat it
Yes.
outside is chocolate.
So
So when
it's
you place all the candies
sugar is
around the
melted
plate
water because of water.
because of water, that's right. So the water
It
melts
melts
the sugar,
the sugar.
and inside the sugar there is color, right? So that's why they create rainbow.
Yes, the color.
Okay, now you can pour the water into the plate,
Water.
like, but slowly,
Yes.
carefully.
You can eat it.
Bhutan wants to eat it.
Slowly. It's kind of mixed, don't you?
Oh,
Look.
it starts to come out. I can see rainbow. Can you see?
That's nice. Oh, it started to roll here.
Can you see it?
What's happening?
Woo-hoo.
It's kind of spiral. It's kind of spiral.
Oh, it's like pride color. Like this month is the month of pride. Wait, look at yours. Look at yours. It's completely melted.
It's turning white.
Yeah, because the color all gone in the water. So you're making?
I can see.
Oh, okay. You can eat. Okay. Water part.
Water party time. I pour too much water.
Or it's too hard. You break all the circles. Yeah, it's melting.
It's
melting.
Red. It's covered with food color. So.
Can you see my heart? Can you see me?
Yeah. Maybe you will.
Beautiful.
Maybe I will get the M&Ms over.
It's expanding.
Oh man. Yes, let's get this patterns. I guess it's patterns.
Oh, you got a lot of water inside your plate. Oh, I like this one. Beautiful. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4 holes on the bottom of water. If you fill in the water,
What? It stops from the top first.
Huh? Do you think which one will be more powerful for the water to come out?
No.
Like A, B, C, or D?
No. I said which is turn the water out first.
I think it comes out at the same time, but which hole is going to be stronger, like more powerful for the water? It's about pressure.
I think it's D.
D? Why do you think it's D? Like the bottom one?
Because of gravity.
Because of gravity? That makes sense. Gravity and pressure, right?
Like I think the gravity is the same. So
Gravity and pressure. That's right. You are right.
Pressure. How did we stop the air pressure?
See, the bottom one is the strongest.
Yes. The top is the lightest, so
That's
it's
right.
turn out first.
Let's
turn out
pressure on the top.
The top is turn out first.
That's right.
Squeak, squeak. I love it. Maybe. Wait a moment. Let's stop leaking. And there's
Stop
so
leaking?
much water. I think that's enough. Oh.
Yeah, because there's no pressure.
Yay.
There's no pressure left.
Not yet. Maybe it's stop leaking when it's seen. 3, 2,
Ready? Watch out.
3, 2.
Can you hold the
What?
hold the straw?
Wait a moment. Ah! Man, this is a really good colorings. Man, it's it flashed to me. Wait, flash
Ooh.
to me. Flash.
When you blow the bottle, do you think the paper will get inside or get out? When you blow into the bottle, what do you think? The paper will get inside or get out?
I think
What do you think?
it's inside.
It gets inside? All right, let's try. And blow it.
Wait.
Is it inside? Ooh. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. See? It doesn't get inside.
Get inside now. Wait. It's not coming and get out.
Yeah, dude.
Because the air pushed the paper out.
That's right. Because when you blow the air, it's like refracting inside the bottle. Yeah.
Inside.